Water pouring on stone is a timeless sound that carries deep calm and grounding energy. As clear water flows gently over smooth stone, it creates a natural rhythm that feels steady and reassuring. Each drop meets the stone with a soft, earthy tone, blending movement and stillness into one soothing moment. The stone represents strength and stability, while the water brings flow, release, and renewal. Together they form a peaceful balance that helps the mind slow down and the body relax naturally. This sound is often associated with nature, rivers, mountain streams, and quiet garden spaces. Listening to water pouring on stone can ease mental tension and invite a sense of inner clarity. It supports meditation, deep relaxation, sleep preparation, and mindful breathing practices. The gentle splashing creates a cocoon of comfort, blocking harsh noise and daily distractions. Over time, the steady flow encourages emotional release and a feeling of grounded presence. Water on stone reminds us to stay resilient yet flexible, calm yet alive.